Yo, what's up guys, how you doing? Today is beautiful afternoon and nearly sunset time, like 1 hour to the sunset. We are in Batu Belik. Batu Belik is very popular hotspot for hangout, or at least used to be, between Seminyak and Canggu. Actually, just I'm on the border between Seminyak and Batu Belik. Behind me is W, also Potato Head and a few other hotels, but just literally just behind me is W Seminyak. We're gonna go into direction of showing you beachfront, where there's bars for hanging out, like a hipster vibe, and then we're gonna show you Batu Belik from the main street. Okay, let's go. Sunset is just basically over there in 1 hour. There's the Oyster Dealer, a very interesting name of the bar. There's another, actually this is the Oyster Dealer. There are small little alleys or little gangs. There are some villas like Japan Beach Homestay Spa, Batu Belik, something like that. And just literally just behind this space where is no parking zone is W Seminyak property and empty gap. Not much is going on. There is the cellar only here. Alright, so we're gonna start from Batu Belik, but from the area where is the Amari Beach Club. That's the brand new beach club here. I remember when I was here, when the beach club was under the construction last time. Basically, you cannot see much from the street. I just realized you have to just get inside. They make it on purpose. But anyways, this is the most beautiful part of Batu Belik here. Long time ago, I mean, I was still visiting Bali just as the tourist purposes. There was pretty nice hangout spot. There was the 707 bar, I remember, where is recently Mari Beach Club, or whatever the name of the beach club is. And there was just empty beach leading to W Seminyak. This is like a continuation between Seminyak and Canggu. But now it's so many like little wooden bars, mostly reggae bars vibes, something like that. Little bit hipster vibes. There were always hipster vibes here actually. Often mixed between locals and expats or tourists hanging out here. Well, that's the 707 Beach Band, Batu Belik. This was legendary first one, the first bar who started here in this area of Batu Belik. Now they are pretty big. A long time ago it was just simply little hut with the few bean bags on the grass overlooking the ocean, but now it's a lot of actually many interesting beach bars here. Still local vibe, but you have some other establishments here. Actually, it was.
Oh, it was.
What's the name? I forgot.
Tropicola on the left.
Yeah, it was Tropicola, but it's totally closed. They put only one fence. Victim of pandemic. That's for sure, without any doubts. Anyways, if you're gonna go deep inside of the small alleys here, there are some villas. Quite a lot of expats living here. They like to live here. This is like a continuation between Seminyak and Canggu, as I mentioned, but also local houses are here. But the most important, they are bars, beach bars. But this area was, I gonna tell you, it was more popular some time ago. Now seems a little bit deserted, like not so many people coming over. Little bit surprised. I've been here like 1.5 years ago last time. It was just more alive than it's today, but this is what is it, right? Oyster Dealer. Interesting place. And this is where we actually started today's video. At the front is W Seminyak and Alila, of course. Alright, so we are leaving the area of the Batu Belik beachfront. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the sunset, because the sunset gonna be like in 50 minutes. It's 5:20 p.m. actually local time. I'm just surprised that it's so quiet, because last time, I know I've been during the pandemic here, but during the pandemic was way busier than it's today. I don't know even what to think about that, but well, this is what is it. Maybe because of the beach club at the front, maybe the place lose the charm like other places, I don't know, but the last view of the sunset and yeah, it's actually very quiet, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so we come back to the main street. If you're gonna go, into left, there will be Canggu station the first, and Cafe Del Mar will be actually first. But we're going right, and there is the Aloft by Marriott Hotel here. Also open like really not so long ago. You may agree with me, guys, or you may disagree, but I recently see very huge decrease of the tourists in Bali. I mean, it just simply feels quiet. It feels like making these videos during the pandemic times, with the differences that, yeah, more businesses are open, but the traffic situation on this street, on Batu Belik, connecting Canggu with Seminyak on the sunset time, you know, it was like, I remember still like now when I was stuck in such a big traffic jam. But maybe this is like just only temporary gap with no tourists. But also, you know, they deport already a lot of people. They trying to ban Russians. Russians was actually a lot, so if you cut off all of those people, you see as the traffic situation like this one. Also the holidays, local holidays, finished, so all the people from other islands of Indonesia also are not here, so it's like a gap with no holidays, and it's just simply quiet. Some people may say it's enjoyable, but you know, I don't really like when it's big traffic jam. I agree with that, that's true, nobody like. But when you drive like this one and nobody is around, it's also not really enjoyable, because brings me all the memories from the pandemic times. I was here since already many years, experienced any kind of traffic and any kind of situations, and definitely I don't really enjoy seeing such of empty road. I mean, I would like to drive without traffic jam, but like this is too quiet for this. Anyways, at the front is huge construction of some exclusive venue by one Filipino famous boxer or kickboxer. What's her name, Sayang? What's his name? Aquino or something. Just at the front of the strawberry fields. Strawberry fields was also here, very popular some time ago. Yeah, the establishment's gonna be huge. Let's see. I'm also surprised that somebody from Philippines building here. But yeah, that's it. That's what is it, right? And overall, Batu Belik on this street had a better times. Now, recently, it's a lot of empty land and empty establishment. There was some nice hotels and some nice restaurants, including the Strawberry Fields a few years ago. Even some of my viewers have a great memories with Strawberry Fields. But recently, it's like, I don't know, it's like a little bit deserted. Forgotten. However, here we go. Traffic jam started again. I will try to look at these people on the track. They enjoying their time. Driving here is also challenging. And yeah, and we stuck. Either we're gonna go by the footpath, like all of the people going, but I'm filming my video. So also Manhattan slice is here on the right, just in case if you would like to try American pizza, but it's very expensive. They charge you for one slice of the pizza and one Coke Zero 100K, which is like $7 American, gives you prices in New York City cheaper than Manhattan pizza here. Anyways, this is what is it. There is no choice, you have to drive on the footpath. If you drive the motorbike, everybody doing this is Bali. Otherwise, there is no point for us to driving simply a bike, because if you're gonna stuck in the traffic jam, you better just drive a car. Well, this is Bali. Nothing we can do with this, and everybody know what is it. Even some of my viewers last time experienced driving like this one on this particular street in Batu Belik. So this is part of it. Actually, the footpath here is not really necessarily needed. It will be even better if there will be just a road wider, because as you maybe noticed that there is no pedestrians here. There's no pedestrians walking in general in Batu Belik. So yeah, this is like a little bit forgotten part of well, not Seminyak, just simply Bali. Okay, let's go on the middle of the street right now. This is my style. I prefer way more driving on the middle between the cars. It's a little bit more dangerous, actually. Driving on the footpath is safer, but well, I still prefer driving on the middle of the street. And then, well...
Here we go, the traffic, honey.
Traffic,
so you prefer the traffic like this?
I prefer something in between. Honestly, I prefer something in between. Empty road and then it's totally quiet, it's not good, but it's too busy like this one is also not good. But this is Bali, you cannot find something what is, I don't know, what should I say. Also this guy blocked the guy who wanna go on the front. The guy at the front is the tourist from other Asian country, look like. So he's very stable, very quiet. You're welcome, mate. Enjoy Bali. Let me know, guys, if you can enjoy Bali still so far, especially if you are moving by yourself, driving a bike or driving a car, either by yourself, or either you rent a driver, or either you hire Gojek or Grab or Bluebird, or I don't know, whoever you hire to drive. Let me know if you still enjoy it. Overall, this is what is it. Batu Bellik. By the way, the gate what you see at the front and the huge money changer, I don't know if you can see, but this is actually the border between Batu Bellik and Petit Tenget in Seminyak, where we used to film literally a few days ago driving on this junction. But I just wanna keep going until we're gonna get to the same location, to the junction. So I'm gonna show you how long it takes to stuck here on the traffic jam, even driving a bike. Basically, it's not taking you much faster than driving a car. I used to drive a car for so many years, even recently, and I'm telling you, it's not really getting you faster anywhere. All right, but anyways, this is, what is it? It's a lot of fun, actually. And this is the corner of Petit Tenget, Seminyak. Here we go. Even police officer is checking the traffic situation. And we're just gonna go here again to the rice fields because, you know, don't really wanna go straight. Whoa, 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 so busy, huh? Here we go, and then we arrive to Malas, again, to the area of Nok, like last time. Also different establishments. So from the old areas, what we showed you recently, especially since we are driving a bike, the Batu Bellik was the only place where we didn't show you, of course, because, well, Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, Pererenan, San, Rubut, everything was covered. This one was just like, I always wanted to make a video, but, well, obviously there's not that much to show you, so today little bit shorter. Well, this is the Umalas. We made a video last time. If you would like to have a look, you can watch my previous video from Seminyak. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.